YouTube, what is good? Welcome back to yet another video. So today we'll be having a look at the Godox M1 RGB light. Okay, cool. So let's just hop into the video and start talking about this light. First things first, build quality. If you take it straight out of the box, I can definitely say you will be impressed with its build quality. It feels quite nice in the hand as it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not uncomfortable to carry around as it's very light and small. But the build quality is very nice and it's really something you can expect from Godox products. With that said, it also has a little movable arm at one of the sides which you can use to mount this thing to any tripod or even to your camera itself if you so wish to do so. And it also has buttons on the sides which you can use to control the settings of the different features of this light, as well as a LED indicator at the back showing you on what setting you are. If I turn it on, you can see it can go quite bright. This is like at 2% and I can go all the way up to 100, which is actually quite impressive for this small light. Let me quickly turn off all my other lights and I can show you what this thing looks like if I just use this little light. Okay, cool. So this is what it looks like without any key lights or anything on me. And now I'm just going to use the M1 light and switch it on. As you can see, it's actually quite bright for how small this light is. So looking at features of this light, you have your normal white, which can go from a cool white all the way up to a more warm tungsten color, which is normal for any lights these days. And then where it gets interesting is with the RGB. If you just switch to the next function, you have full RGB control. Change it basically to any color that you want. And this makes it quite useful if you're going to make YouTube videos or any product related videos, just to give your videos a lot more character and make it interesting. And then with that, there's also a few other features which is quite cool, like effects that's built in. Like this at the moment is the campfire effect, which like emulates how a fire would move. And then you get something like lightning, which is quite cool. I really dig that one. There's a lot of different effects on this thing. I think they're like almost over 10 or 15 effects if I'm not mistaken. This thing is really cool. The only limitation I would say for this thing is basically your own creativity, because this thing can do a lot. I can highly recommend this Godox M1 light as it is a lot more affordable than other options, and for the price I don't think you can go wrong with this thing. I really hope you found this video interesting, and I know it's something a bit different than what we usually do on this channel, but I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. It helps me create more videos like this. With that said, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.